Hi, this is I'm going to show you an application running on the new BlackBerry PlayBook tablet device. The application itself is a native application. It's built using Air. We actually build a lot of geospatial and location-based applications, largely mapping. In this case, this is not a mapping application like I'll show you, but it does use the GPS location. I've just started with the BlackBerry screen here, just to give you an idea about what we're talking about here. This is the actual device itself. It's a 7-inch tablet, different to the iPad, very different in terms of functionality. Really impressed with the device. It's a fantastic device, and as an Air and Flex developer, it's opened that world up to us. There's a lot of things we couldn't do on the iPad, particularly web browsing with Flex, but now we can do that with this because of the Flash player built in. So the application I'm going to show you is actually a check-in type application. Hoping it comes through okay on this camera. I've actually loaded the application here, and what this does is this actually is something like Foursquare. So what we're doing here is we are using the built-in GPS in this device to load the venues which are nearby my house in this case. And we're actually making a call to Simplegeo we're passing the coordinates of the device, what the device reports as the lat long, and you can actually see that listed in the top corner here, the lat long of this location. We're passing that to the Simplegeo API, and that's them giving us back a list of venues which are within half a mile of this particular location. And the application itself it's already loaded, but you can see to the left here we've loaded this list of venues. If we want to get more details, the Canyon Inn, for example, we list the information which has been passed back for us from Simplegeo, the address, the name, the address, zip code, and phone number. 7-Eleven is down the road as well, and then again you see we very quickly load. So in this case, somebody could actually select the particular place they were checking into if they were shopping, for example. This application is still in progress, so I haven't finished it. I'll do another video to show what it's actually going to look like when it's done. But clicking the next button actually takes people to the next screen. On the left side, you'll actually see the venue you've listed, that you've actually selected in the previous screen. By entering your name and maybe some ID, that stuff could be stored in a database somewhere. So you get the place you're checking into, your name and your ID. These buttons here would be a check-in button, which ultimately would give you, the summary of the information for that check-in, or a check-out would be, I'm checking out of this place, I need to store some information about what I've done here, maybe write some notes, maybe take some pictures. Again, that could all be stored in the database with a timestamp. So it's a sort of a simple Foursquare type application, and we can build it out further than this, but part of it was just to demo the GPS capabilities. We're using the geolocation API actually on the PlayBook, and building a native app on the PlayBook as well. And then obviously the home button will take us back to our original screen, and we haven't, the venues have been wiped away. In this case we'd have to reload them. Actually, let's just see if we can reload them. Let's see. One of the things I've noticed on this, which I'll talk about in another video, is the GPS is flaky on this. Sometimes it will work and sometimes it won't. So sometimes it actually does report where you are, and sometimes you just wait and wait and wait. So that's a weakness of things that I see at the minute, and I've posted something onto the RIM forums to ask the question, why is GPS flaky? But anyway, first video, love the PlayBook, love building apps using Flex. This is the first app that we've built. We'll probably be building more mapping type apps for the device, but this was a sort of a quick down and dirty demo of what you can do with it. I'll post some more videos as we move forward. Thanks for watching.